Hey, wait, come here, come here, come here.
The battle of the parkour.
Oh.
The battle of
People,
the
people,
parkour.
people.
I'm so dead. Either way, I'm dead.
Hey, man.
I'm so
Oh, dead, man.
Hey, man. What the fuck? Dude.
Come on, body, stay up. No. Come on, man. Please, please, I got nothing. Look at my body. Look what you've done. What? No. Okay, fine, fine. Mushrooms on. They're dropped. They're dropped right there. To your left. Wow. Wow, man. This is how you treat me? I give you mushrooms and this is how you treat me? Why? What do you mean I gotta be loaded if I'm running? What if I just don't want to die? Like, what? I farmed like 3 barrels, man. You guys chased me across the map.
I'm in towel. I don't like towels.
Hey, man, I just need the low grade. You can take everything. I'll give you everything I have. I just want the low grade, man.
Oh, I'm stuck. This must be like how it feels to be you. I know. You know what? You can go to the fishing.
Oh, you weren't even locked in the base. You were locked in there, like. Hey, Rip, my character model is just so much better than yours.
Why do you say that?
Your guy's so ugly. His face.
Would this happen to pertain to the color of
no, just look at it, look at his mouth. Why is it like that? Why does his mouth go so far out? The ladder.
I have a max health. Come on. You're gonna
Just
boost me up.
Yeah, just hop on the pipes, hop on my head, and yeah. Just.
How much
Oh,
do
wait,
I hate solo? You have to talk solo.
I know. Well, you can just parkour around. Ah, yeah, get on the pipes, get on the pipes. That works better. Just stand on the pipes and then jump on my head. You. That was pathetic.
You're getting framed off with that. Oh. Why do they hate solo people so much?
You want this? Dominant 9-2?
I want whatever you know. Ooh, I actually really like this.
Yeah, me too.
It's not good, but it's cool. It's the only good-looking one.
No, it is good. Really good close range if you have a good jitter click. Hey, kid in this. He's at the green key card over there. He dropped. Get him. You got him. What do you have?
Just some other stuff. Fluid, great scene.
This kid's here.
Oh. Tree.
I don't know what he has. Oh, I see him. He has a shotgun of some sorts. Obviously. He's downed. You have a shotgun of some sorts? Nope, he didn't. Then I must have saw a different person. Hello? Going on the blue card. Oh, shit, he had a satchel. Oh, metal chest plate.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Sheet metal or
Another hazmat for you. The good metal.
Is this outside the door?
There's a guy outside the door.
Yeah, he had a double barrel. Or he had a pump. He was just sitting outside the door waiting for you to come out.
Hey man, why you door camping? There's another guy. Hey, this guy's geared, or he has something on his. Ah! Oh fuck! Ripsy, come back. He has another one.
Where is he? Which side of the silo?
I don't know, but I'm low.
Spear? Someone just charged me with the spear.
I'm dead, Ripsy. They killed the kid with the rocket. He's on my body. On my body.
What?
Oh, he killed me. What the? How do you have 2 rockets?
How did he kill you? Did he take your custody?
Yeah.
Did you take your custody?
I had a custom, and then he took it. What the hell, man? He shot a rocket at me, and I was 5 health.